So now we're going to start off with the first position, the data analyst. So what does a data analyst normally do on a day-to-day? Obviously, I can speak very in depth to this because I do hold a role of a data analyst at this point. So the main role of a data analyst job is to answer questions that stakeholders have while using the existing data that you have within the company. For example, they'll answer stuff like, why did sales drop in Q3? Which customer segment has the most churn, and what's our best performing marketing channel? So mainly your tools are going to be SQL, Excel. You'll use some of your statistical analysis and knowledge in this role. There could be some Python and R in there, but you're not going to be super heavy. And then you'll have a data visualization tool like Power BI or Tableau. You'll be pulling data, cleaning data, and then visualizing data for non-technical stakeholders. So a typical day, you'll be writing queries, cleaning data, creating dashboards, and sitting in meetings and answering questions about your findings. Now I'm getting into who will thrive in this data analyst role. You're probably a good fit if you love to solve puzzles and telling story with numbers. You're great at communicating, so taking numbers and being able to translate them into simple business terms that a CEO can understand. You want to see your work make direct impact on the business, and you're comfortable with unclear questions and being able to get through the problem even though it isn't perfectly defined. You might not love it if you want to build complex things, do more of the coding side, and be deep into mathematical statistics and modeling. Salary ranges anywhere from $65,000 to $110,000 for a data analyst, mid-level data analyst role, but this obviously can be higher depending on what company you work for.